So this is the problem we're having right now. Just brought it back from the lake. Started up a few times. It started fine. On the lake it stalled a little bit. It didn't turn at all. No turning, no nothing. So this is what's going on. So when I turn it on, is when I put the gas, turn it on, there's no, something won't trip it. And we had this occur at the lake also. So I come back over here. Not sure if these things, that one seems fine. Just pushing it just for the heck of it. It's on all. The batteries are connected well. The boat was working fine for the past couple of times. All of a sudden, now there's this issue. Everything's in place. To safety switch. Still no power. Pump the gas a few more times. Still no power. Come back here. Everything seems to look good. Gonna switch it, everything off. Turn everything back up to all. Still nothing. So that is the issue at hand. The boat's not turning, the water's running. The batteries are fine, fully charged since this morning. Comes on and off like it wants to. Don't know. That makes a difference now. I don't know. Let's pop it out in place. See, it is these two. Looks like it's these two little charges right here. I don't know what these are. But when I push it, I can feel it go in a little bit. Pull it back. Almost that time. Put everything to off. Turn everything back to off. Back onto all. So this happened last time also, where I had to come back and push these two little red buttons here. I'm not sure what these are for, but if I press them, I don't know if there's more. If I press them, press that one too. Not sure what that is. That's on a fuel pump. If I press them, let's see if I put them back in place. Just need a little bit more gas. Nope. Nope. It won't turn it. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. Does it have to prime itself up? See, so now when I'm turning it, there's no sound. I mean, it won't even turn over. As soon as I come over here and mess with this guy right here, these two little red buttons, just mess with them a little bit. Come back here and pump some gases for the heck of it, just for fun. And it tries to turn it over. So I'm not sure what's going on. You can smell the fuel.